Yeah. They say when God wanna make a man powerful, he don't crown him first, he breaks him, strips him down piece by piece till what's left ain't fake, it's real. This ain't punishment, it's training. Welcome to the rebuild. I was broken in spirit, broken in mind, had to choke on my pride, hope redesigned. Every tear that I cried wrote a quote in the sky. Now I float with the ghost that spoke in my rhymes. He ain't crowned me, he ground me down in the gravel. Now I'm forged like metal, pressure made me travel through the hellfire, yeah, that's heavenly practice. God don't gift rap growth, he hands you damage. Every loss, every scar was a chiseling blade, carving purpose from the hurt like prison parades. I was homeless, hopeless, felt frozen in pain, but even pain's propane, it explodes at a change. He stripped my comfort, shattered my plan, left me stranded till I had to understand. He don't break who's weak, he breaks who's chosen. Had to drown in that ocean just to rise like Moses. They said it's over, now it's the rebuild. Pain ain't kill me, it revealed skill. Every wound healed in a steel will. Pressure's what crushed me, but it sealed deals. It's the rebuild, it's my battlefield. When faith feels fake, that's when fact is real. You don't grow in comfort, growth in chaos. I was down on my knees, now I stand way. I've been torn, betrayed, played and abandoned. Every heartbreak was a weight I was handed, but pain's the gym where the faith gets expanded. I was lost, God just rewrote my planet. Used to beg for peace, now I thank for pressure. It's the storm that sharpens a blade's real texture. Can't fold when the mold's built out of disaster. It's the crash that crafts the climb that's faster. Every sleepless night was a sermon in disguise. Every bruise on my body was purpose in my eyes. See, comfort's the coffin, chaos is the prize. Growth don't whisper, it screams through cries. My pride got stripped, my plans got crushed, my dreams got ripped, but my faith got tough. He took everything and replaced that stuff. Now I don't chase crowns, I become what's up. They said it's over, now it's the rebuild. Pain ain't kill me, it revealed skill. Every wound healed in a steel will. Pressure's what crushed me, but it sealed deals. It's the rebuild, it's my battlefield. When faith feels fake, that's when fact is real. You don't grow in comfort, growth's in chaos. I was down on my knees, now I stand way up. Chosen ones walk through the fire with no flinch, while the quitters fold quick when the pressure makes them twitch. It ain't punishment, dog, that's heaven's apprenticeship. Pain's a blacksmith, making legends out of misfits. Every trial's a test, every test a tool. Every scar's a lesson that rewrote my rules. When the world says quit, that's when God says prove. Prove. They said it's over, now it's the rebuild. Pain ain't kill me, it revealed skill. Every wound healed in a steel will. Pressure's what crushed me, but it sealed deals. It's the rebuild, it's my battlefield. When faith feels fake, that's when fact is real. You don't grow in comfort, growth's in chaos. I was down on my knees, now I stand way up. See, the chosen ones walk through the fire with no flinch.